Hello guys, welcome to CK Gossip. Please like, share, subscribe our channel. Let's start the video. Detailed biography and lifestyle of Gemini Noravate. Full name Gemini Noravate. Birth date Gemini was born on February 4, 2002, making him 23 years old in 2025. Birthplace Gemini was born in Bangkok, Thailand. Zodiac sign as an Aquarius, Gemini is known for his innovative thinking. Religion Gemini is follow Buddhism. Nickname Gemini called Gem by fans and friends. Height standing at 183 centimeters. Weight 70 kgs. Partners Gemini has worked with several leading actors and brands, including collaborations with GMM TV artists like Fourth Natavet and Ford Aaron. Education He attended Bangkok University, majoring in communication arts. Balancing studies with an acting career was challenging, but Gemini managed to excel in both. Childhood influences Growing up, Gemini was inspired by Thai actor Mario Moirer. First acting experience His first acting role was in a school play where he discovered his love for performing. This experience encouraged him to audition for TV roles. Career beginnings Gemini started as a model for teen magazines and commercials. His striking looks and charm quickly caught the industry's attention. Acting debut His official acting debut was in the series The Gifted Graduation, where he played a supporting role. Rise to fame His breakthrough came with My School President 2022, where he played Tin, a charming student leader. The series became a massive hit, skyrocketed his popularity across Asia. Variety show appearances Gemini has appeared on shows like School Rangers and Talk with Toy, showcasing his wit and humor. TV series After My School President, Gemini starred in Hidden Agenda and 23.5, solidifying his status as a leading actor. Music Gemini has released singles like Yours and Let Me Tell You, showcasing his vocal talent. His music often features in his dramas. Brand endorsements He is the face of brands like Maybelline, Samsung and Oppo. His market ability stems from his youthful appeal and strong social media presence. Modeling Gemini has walked runways for Bangkok Fashion Week and appeared in Elle Thailand, Elle Official and Vogue. Net worth estimated at $3 million. Income sources Apart from acting, he earned through YouTube brand deals and concert appearances. Diversifying his portfolio ensures long-term financial stability. Donations Gemini supports education and animal welfare causes. He frequently donates to schools and shelters, using his platform for social good. Pets He owns a golden retriever named Boy and a cat. Cars Gemini drives a BMW X5 and G-Class. Bikes Enjoys bike rides on his Ducati Scramble. His love for vehicles reflects his adventurous side. Hobbies He enjoys photography, gaming and traveling. His Instagram features stunning travel shots showcasing his photography skills. Future projects Upcoming dramas include The Jungle 2025 and the possible Hollywood crossover. He also plans to release an EP in late 2025. Phobia. Jimny has a fear of heights, acrophobia, which he confronts through gradual exposure. He jokes about it in interview. First salary. His first paycheck was $500 from a modeling gig, which he gave to his parents as a token of gratitude. Stunt work. He performs basic stunts himself, showcasing his athleticism for dangerous scenes. He trains with professionals. Siblings and parents. Jimny has one younger sister, and his parents are business professionals. They remain his biggest supporters, often attending his events. Rumors. In 2024, dating rumors with co-stars surfaced, but he denied them, stating they are close friends. He handles gossip with maturity. Favorite foods. He loves pad thai, sushi, and mango sticky rice. Food vlogs on his YouTube channel often features these dishes. Legal cases. Jimny has a clean record, avoiding controversies. His professionalism keeps him away from legal troubles. Awards. He has won Best Rising Actor 2023 and Most Popular Male Star 2024. Critics praise his dedication to his craft. Wife and girlfriend. No public relationships. As of 2025, he believes in focusing on his career growth before settling down. Golf. Jimny has developed a passion for golf in recent years, often seen practicing at driving ranges and courses in Bangkok. Final note. Jimny Noravit is a rising global star with a promising future. His talent, humility, and dedication ensure he will remain a beloved figure in entertainment for years to come. Thanks for watching. Like, share, subscribe, CK Gossip.